glamorous, oh, the classic. Hey, yeah. Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. OMG, you guys, you have arrived to an unboxing channel. That's what we do. We do a lot of unboxings. We do product hauls, product reviews, monthly subscription box unboxings,
quarterly, annually, beauty boxes, self-care boxes, pet boxes, you name it, we unbox it right here at Saving Mamasita.
So today, you guys, we are about to unbox the November Glossybox. No, I have unboxed Glossybox before, and it just keeps getting better and better every freaking time. I am so excited to unbox this box today. This is the November box. And for those of you who are not familiar with Glossybox, you can check them out online at glossybox.com. And if after you watch this video that you really enjoy the box, you can get a special discount from me using my code and get your first box for just $16. And I will leave all that information down in my description area. Boom, 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 down there. And along with all of the other items that are inside the box. So, without further ado, let's unbox Beauty Box Glossybox. So Glossybox comes in a lovely little pink and black box here. Sometimes it comes in something different, but typically it's usually a pink box. Very cute, very classy. And it has just a basic lid that you lift off to open. Look at that. Here's what it looks like inside when you unbox. Right off the top, they have a little booklet. And if you have been around for my unboxings, you guys know that it is so important for a monthly subscription box to have some sort of product description card, booklet, magazine. We need to know what's in the box, and we need to know the value of each item. That just really helps you to better get a grasp of whether or not you are getting the most for your money when you pay for a subscription box. Glossybox does an excellent job of preparing their little booklets. And inside the booklet, they have all of the products and they have a value next to them. And what is really kind of cool about their description area is they have tips on each different product as well. So it really gives you a great idea on how to use the product, as well as different beauty tips that you might have never have known before. So super, super cool. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it's a lot of fun. So awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, so let's go ahead. Here's what it looks like inside. It's got the pink tissue paper, the black bow. It's wrapped up in a nice little sticker. That's what it looks like. Has a few products in there with some black confetti paper. We're gonna go ahead and go through each item as well. So looking at the big one here, this is the big kahuna. This is called Vitabrid C12 Daily-C Balancing Cleansing Balm. Okay, so this cleansing balm is a full-size product. The value is $48. Here's the cleansing balm. Looks like this container, like this. And it says, infused with plant-derived extracts, this facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. Oh, nice. It's formulated with a powerful antioxidant blend of cacao oil and proprietary Vitabrid CG, which is active vitamin C, to help support a clear and radiant complexion. Awesome. Let's open this up. Take a little look. It has a little scooper duper here. Smells really good too. So it's kind of got that little waxy look to it. Definitely a great product for getting your makeup off. I can't wait to try this one, you guys. Next product we have is called Commodity Paper. Never heard of this before. Value on this is $10. So what the heck is this? Let's open it up. Deluxe Paper. Lightweight and effortless, Paper opens with ISO E Super, a unique and woody molecular note. Then as the minutes pass and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice ethereal skin musk followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. So yes, it is a scent. Let's spray this bad boy. It's more vanilla-y. We'll let that sit there. It says the tip on there is you spray it on your wrist, the neck, and your elbow creases. Elbow creases? What? Next item is Oui Cherie. Oui Cherie. This is the Beauty Crop. It's Oui Cherie Lip Oil. Saying bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, love that. Moisture rich, love that. Lip treatment has a pH color changing formula. What? That works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade, perfectly suited to your skin tone. It'll also keep your lips unbelievably soft and nourished. That is freaking cool. Now, we need to try this. I obviously can't do it because I already have lip stuff on right now, but we will definitely try it on my skin here. The value of this is $12. Oh, that is super cute packaging too. Oh my goodness. When you look at it, it looks like gloss, like basic clear gloss. Let's rub it on my wrist here. So we rubbed it on my wrist. It looks kind of pink, like a light pink. We'll see if it changes in color at all. Next up we have, this is called Figs and Rouge. This is a full-size product. After cleansing, apply evenly over face before applying makeup. So it's a primer and a finishing fix. This primer is designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion for complete matte perfection. It's silicone-free, pore minimizing, love that, and anti-blemish, love that, qualities. Absorb oil so you'll have a beautiful smooth finish without any breakouts. Yes, yes. This little thing, $52. $52! And it just kind of rubs in. It's like a lotion, basically. I mean, it's a primer, but it's just like a lotion. So I can see where you'd get that moisture. It's not greasy. It smells fresh. Okay, we've got one more thing, you guys. This is a palette of sorts. It's a Manifest Bronze eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look at that. So you got 4 different colors in there. This is from Chella. Chella. Hello, beautiful. The 4 shades of this palette, Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention, will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. Ooh, we love confidence. Buildable and highly pigmented, this palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow. So you can use these pigments separately or blend them together for a more sophisticated look. $20 for this. This is a travel size, $20 Chella palette. That concludes the unboxing for Glossybox November. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then you know what time it freaking is. We got the Chella palette, the Oui Cherie Lip Gloss. And if you guys take a look here, it has definitely turned a pinky color. Then we've got the Paper Commodity Smell. That smells good. It started, you know, initially when I put it on, it smelled very vanilla musky, but now it smells very fruity-ish, like a bubble gum. That's cool. We've got the $52 Figs and Rouge Primer, the Vitabrid C12 Cleansing Balm. So all of those things, you guys, for just roughly between $16 and $21 a month, depending on which subscription you get. All right. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. All right, Glossybox November box. guys, when I'm looking at all of these items, the value is freaking high on this box. 50 some bucks for this, 50 some bucks for this. The scent, the palette, the gloss. Probably will use every single item except for the palette. I'm not so sure I will use this, but if I were to use an eye palette of sorts, these would be my colors. So when we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, including the description, and they have a nice little booklet that shows everything that's in the box right here. And then we look at the value of the items. We want to look at the price point and make sure we're getting that value for our money. So let's go ahead and put our thinking hats on, our rating hats on. What would you guys rate this Glossybox this time around? I know what I'm going to rate it. But first, we need that drum roll, please. Glossybox November box, you are going to get a 9. This was definitely one of the best glossy boxes, in my opinion, that I've received. This was legit, freaking legit. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and do not forget